The Hammer C331 is one of the most popular 5-function combination machines out of the Felder Group product range and enables professional woodworking in the smallest of spaces. Planing and thicknessing, trimming, format and miter cutting, molding and mortising are all done with the unbelievable precision along with the fastest changeover times. The C331 surface planer features solid cast iron tables for long-lasting and consistently precise results. The total length of the planer table is 1,400 mm, and with tool-free mountable hammer table extensions, it can be extended further to up to 3,000 mm. The anodized jointing fence covers the entire 310 mm planing width and can be continuously adjusted between 90 and 45 degrees for chamfering and beveling work. In its standard version, the C331 is equipped with a 3-knife automatic cutter block. The self-setting cutter block system with reversible blades allows for quick cutter block change within minutes without the need for expensive adjustment tools. On request, the C331 can be equipped with the unique Silent Power Spiral Blade Cutter Block. The Silent Power Spiral Blade Cutter Block cuts noise levels during planing by well over half and provides a continuous pulling cut for tear-free planing patterns in any type of wood. Thanks to the quality of the tungsten carbide blades, Silent Power cutter blocks reach a blade life up to 20 times higher than that of HSS blades. Moreover, each individual carbide blade has 4 cutting edges that can be quickly switched by simply turning one at a time. As a result, the Silent Power Spiral Blade Cutter Block is easy on your wallet. Thanks to the simultaneous double lifting planer tables, the C331 can be converted from a surface planer to a thicknesser in a matter of seconds and in just a few steps. The planer tables are hinged towards the center of the machine, thus ensuring an ergonomically efficient workflow during thicknessing operations. The solid cast iron thicknessing table with a planing width of 304 mm guarantees maximum loads and perfect machining of large and heavy workpieces. The table length of the thicknessing table is 540 mm and can be extended to 1,340 mm on the receiving side using the hammer table extension, which can be mounted without tools. The continuously adjustable thicknessing height is set by hand wheel between 4 and 225 mm. For even more comfort and accuracy, the hand wheel can be upgraded with an integrated digital clock. Fine adjustments in the accuracy range of 1/10 of a millimeter are done quickly, easily, and with high precision. Centerpiece of the saw spindle molder end of the C331 is its sliding table, which ensures the most precise work results with a multitude of labor-saving features for sawing and molding operations. The standard cutting length of the anodized sliding table is 800 mm, which can be extended to 2,000 mm with the optional Comfort feature package, or up to 2,500 mm with the Perform feature package. Both Comfort and Perform feature packages include an additional outrigger table to process large and heavy workpieces. Of course, an outrigger table can also be added to the standard equipment as an option. On the other hand, the table extension system provides an additional support surface on the sliding table. The circular saw unit receives main saw blades with diameters between 250 and 315 mm. On request, a scoring unit ensures professional processing of laminated panel materials. Maximum cutting height is 103 mm. The cutting height adjustment and angle setting between 90 and 45 degrees is conveniently done by hand wheel. An additional option allows the C331 to be prepared for the use of special dado tools. Instead of the saw blade, the dado tool is fitted on the saw arbor, allowing continuously adjustable grooving, mortising and slotting between 8 and 19.5 mm in width. In just a few steps, the planing fence can be repositioned to a rip fence for the sliding table saw. The continuously adjustable cutting width ranges from 0 to 600 mm. For moulding work, the saw blade is lowered under the table and the moulder spindle is brought into the working position with the 30 mm tool receiving socket. On request, other moulder spindle diameters or the Hammer MF spindle shaft quick change system may be selected as basic equipment. The MF spindle shaft quick change system allows the use of various spindle diameters and a shank milling cutter spindle. The large usable moulding spindle height of 100 mm is standard. Moulding tools up to 180 mm can be lowered under the spindle table. The maximum moulding tool diameter is 220 mm when using the spindle fence. For different cutting speeds between 3000 and 10,000 rpm, allow the correct speed to be set for each moulding tool diameter. The spindle fence is positioned easily and quickly. The removable spindle fence plate can be adjusted precisely between -5 and 25 mm for special moulding operations. On request, the multi-fine adjustment system allows for fine and repetitive positioning. The Hammer C331 could be equipped with a horizontal mortiser for dowel work, mortising of mortise locks and much more. The drilling tool is picked up by a mortising chuck, which is also mounted on the cutter block. As with all Hammer machines, the C331 can be equipped with a rolling carriage, so that large projects can be realized in very small workshops. Whatever the function, planing, sawing, molding or boring, connections for dust and chip extraction are available. Suitable extraction units can be found in the Felder Group range of products. The C331 is an exceedingly compact yet powerful combination machine. It offers high-quality professional performance and flexibility on the smallest of footprints. To find out more about how the Hammer C331 could revolutionize your workshop, visit our website